what's next for Meralco Bolts. Pero before that, sulyapan muna natin yung naging Game 5 kontra sa TNT. Sa umpisa, it feels like na para sa TNT na talaga. Ang init ng simula ni Jordan Heading, hitting threes after threes. Tapos yung mga matchups is na ma-maximize ng TNT kasi dun sila may advantage, and it paid off early sa laban na yon. But in the second quarter, CJ Cancino started it with a 3-point shot. And yung Meralco is binalik nila yung kanilang usual offense, attacking the basket, tapos pag may collapses, dun lalabas yung kanilang ball movement. So, nagkakaroon tayo ng magandang ball game. May sagot na yung Meralco sa offense ng TNT, and Rios started to heat up also, kaso ayun, nagka-injury pa. Malas naman. In the third quarter, it was a neck-and-neck ball game. Tsaka nakita natin kung paano sumabay si CJ Cancino sa TNT, a career night. Though sinasabi ko sa inyo sa mga post-game videos na kapag ginagaya ng Meralco yung TNT's offense is laging hindi maganda yung resulta. Pero kung ganito naman kainit yung Cancino, might as well gamble with this kind of action. Yung lagi siyang hinahanap. Sa endgame, unstoppable pa rin si Cancino, hitting tough shots para makabalik yung Meralco sa ball game. Ang hirap din kasi kahit anong init niya is parang simple lang sa kabilang banda for TNT. Kaso lang, 5-point game, lamang na ang Meralco. Rain ng batak, brings down the ball, and syempre, yung tendency nila is titira talaga sa 4. And also, that is Rain ng batak. And ayun, Karam gives him enough space to let it fly from 4. Bang! Meralco has 2 timeouts remaining, pero let it play sila. With that, nagkaroon yung TNT ng chance to steal the ball. Grabe naman yung heading. Lamang na ng isa yung TNT. And sa next possession, for the win yung Meralco. Ball in the hands of Cancino. Attacks, then Oftana, stop him. And yung referee sa angle nakita is suspended dahil meron nga daw foul. And what could have been? So, ayun, GG, what's next for Meralco is meron na silang bagong go-to guy. Future is bright. Chris Newsome is now 35 years old, and ang ganda ng timing ng pagbulusok ni Cancino. Tsaka, okay din na nagsabay pa sila. Kasi, in times like this, yung mga crunch time, New can help Cancino build his confidence. Take better shots instead of magpapasabit na lang sa dulo. In terms of roster naman, Brickman is not in their radar anymore. Nasayang yung pick nila. Tapos na yung MPBL, 'di ba? Pero walang paramdam. And from what I heard is yun nga, ayaw. So, yung mga rumors is interested sila to get Franyu. Though, ang dami nilang point guard na pwedeng ma-develop if willing sila. Meron silang Kurt Trayson na natatambak sa bench. Baka naghahanap talaga sila ng established na talaga eh. Kaya nga kinuha si Brickman eh. Kasi ayun talaga yung butas nila in recent years. Kaya si Newsome pa rin yung nagpo-point guard sa kanila kadalasan. Sino kaya ang best suitable point guard for them na same age range sana ni Cancino para maging future backcourt ng team? Yung big man merong Bates. Sa wing merong Rios na extraordinary ngayong playoffs. Hindi pa naman pa-retire yung laro ni Hadj. So, they are still good to go. Just one solid point guard for them is enough. Suggest nga kayo dyan sa comment section. Yung iniisip ko talaga, Evan Nelly talaga. Yan yung best for Meralco. So yun, TNT is in the finals. Waiting na lang sa kabilang series. Kung saan lamang ang SMB 3-2. And ano rin yung prediction nyo dito sa SMC series? Tatapusin na ba ng SMB sa Friday or may Game 7 pa? Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below.